So how can the average everyday worker shift income back into his pocket? A lot of people don't realize is that the average refund is just under $3,000. So now we're going to show you how to take that money instead of waiting around as a no interest loan to the government. We're going to take that money and put it back into your pocket so you can invest and get out of debt. I'm going to show you an example of a family of four. The husband and wife works. Their combined income is $100,000 a year. They have two kids and they spend $6,600 in child care. To do this, you're going to need two things. You're going to need your most recent pay stubs from work, and you're going to need to Google this website. You're going to Google IRS withholding calculator. This tool helps you to keep from being under withdrawn or over withdrawn with your federal taxes. Now, the first couple of modules is going to ask you some questions about your personal situation. And the second module is going to ask you about your income and your withholding. Now, the third section is going to have some questions about for those that qualify for certain deductions. And the fourth module, most people are going to use the standard deduction. The fifth module is where you put your information about your dependents and how much you pay for child care. And the last module is going to show you your projected refund if you're on pace to get a refund on your federal taxes. And now simply all you need to do is give yourself a pay raise is just take that arrow on that graph and slide it over to where you're even, and you can actually put that money back into your paycheck simply by following the directions and filling out your W-4 as shown. Johnson's here had over $6,000 withheld to cover their nearly $4,000 tax obligation. Now we're going to look at two strategies that will lower your tax burden and put even more money back into your pocket. First of which is you're going to take that $2,800 refund that the Johnsons would have gotten, this family would have gotten, and you're going to contribute that to a 401k. And you go back to module 2, put that information in, and it's going to recalculate things for you automatically. The next thing is you're going to start a home-based business. And what's so powerful about a home-based business is that now everyday expenses can become write-offs and deductions that will lower your federal taxes. Talking things like a portion of your rent or mortgage, your cell phone, your internet, many other things. The IRS lists all those things that you can use for your home-based business as write-offs. And those things can be used to lower your tax burden. For example, we're going to use a conservative number like $5,000 for a Schedule C loss, and then we're going to calculate that in. Now, implementing these two strategies lowered this family's tax burden an additional $900, shifting a total amount of $6,700 a year back into this family's pockets. So almost any family can implement these strategies if you're a W-2 worker, and you can income shift money back into your budget. Now you're wondering, how can I start a home-based business? Well, I can show you what I've been doing. I've been sharing digital products online, things that involve with credit repair, things that save money on travel, things that help people write out wills and protect their identity, and many other things. I even share tips like this. And doing this shows that you are striving to make a profit, and these products pay very well. If you want to learn more about this opportunity, go to the link in my profile, hit business opportunity, and it gives you the information that you need.